Hello everyone, this is Shiva and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start our Python for Beginners series. In this, you will be getting complete understanding of all the basic stuff that a beginner should know while learning how to code in Python. So by the end of this video, you will not only know what Python is, but you'll also have it installed on your system, your coding environment would be ready, and you will have written your first real program. So let's start at the beginning first. Now, what is Python? So, Python is a multi-purpose programming language, and don't worry, that phrase might sound a little bit intimidating, but it just means that Python is a way for you to talk to your computer. Okay, we give it some instruction and it helps us building things, whether it's a website, a mobile app, small games, some automation tools, or even something like a virtual pet or a music player. Like it could be anything. Okay, so you don't need to know a lot of maths or be super logical or have some great coding experience to start with Python. In fact, let me tell you this, Python is known as one of the best programming language for beginners to start with. And here's why. First, the Python is written in simple and clean language. It's almost like plain English. That means you'll spend less time worrying about confusing symbols and more time actually understanding the logic behind things. Secondly, it has a huge welcoming community. Millions of learners just like you and I are using Python. If you ever get stuck, there's a world of a lot of helping people waiting for you online. And in my opinion, Python is incredibly versatile. It's used in almost all the fields known to mankind. Like you can use it in artificial intelligence, data science, app development, web scraping. Honestly, it's everywhere. Okay, so when you learn Python, you're not just learning a skill, Python as one skill. It opens door for you in multiple dimensions. All right, so now we can move forward. So first of all, let me tell you how to get Python in your system. Okay, for that you have to go to a particular website called as python.org. Here you can see I'm on the website, and now here you can go to downloads and download Python for your particular operating system. Okay, you just have to click on it, on this button, and it would be downloaded. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it again, but you can just click on it, and then the download will automatically start. Okay, here you can see it's the download has started. I don't need it, so I can cancel it. Okay, now once you have downloaded it, while installing it, make sure of one thing while you download it. Actually, there are two things. First of all, you always have to download some version that's like 3.xx.x. For example, the version I'm working with currently is 3. I'm sorry, I don't know why it's happening. 12.3. Okay, it could be anything else for you. It could be something else if you are watching this video in future. So it might have updated by then, but you have to download it something like this. Okay, and while installing it, make sure to click a checkbox that says add Python to path. Okay, why it's important? Because it tells your computer how to find when you want to run it later. Okay, so make sure to download a version something like 3.12 point something, and while installing it, make sure to click on add Python to path checkbox. Okay, you can give it some time, and you can pause the video at this point and first download it, and then you can come back to it to continue. Okay, so when you have installed Python, you have clicked all the checkboxes, right? So now, how to check that whether the install is done or not? So for that, click Windows plus R on your keyboard, and here just write CMD and then press enter. It will open up command line for you. And if you are using Mac or Linux, just open your terminal app. You know, you must know how to open it. Okay, so here you'll type Python space dash dash version and then enter. So you can say, see, my Python version is Python 3.12.3. Okay, you might have a different version. That's completely okay. So congratulations, you have installed Python on your system. Now we can get out of it. Another thing we need for Python development is a code editor. Okay, now what is a code editor? So you can think of it like as a notebook where you are going to write all the instructions you want to give to Python. Okay, so if the Python is engine, then you have to give it some instructions to make it work. Okay, and the code editor we are going to use is my favorite one and a very famous one. You must have heard of it, Visual Code Editor. Many of you must have this in your system, abbreviated as Visual Studio Code, VS Code Editor. Okay, now for those who don't have this in their system, let me tell you how to download it. Just go to code.visualstudio.com and wait a minute, I don't know why my internet is so slow today. Why? Okay, it's getting up. Please, it's here. So now you can download it according to your operating system which you are using. If you are on Mac, you can download it for Mac. If you are on Linux, you can download it for Linux. I'm on Windows, so I'm using the Windows version. Okay, I have already downloaded it, but downloading this is very simple. You don't have to keep anything in mind beforehand. Just click the download button and just install, like you will install any app in the world. Okay, so now when you have your Python and Visual Studio Code downloaded, then it's time to fire up this. So I have this on my home screen. You can see I'm just going to double click it, and here it is. Okay, so you'll get a welcome screen like this. You won't have these recent files because it's your first time using it, but now you can just click on new file. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, file. You can open a new folder if you have created already, but you haven't. So okay, let me tell you how to. Come on your home screen, create a new folder. We are going to say it as Python for beginners, done, and we are going to open it with code. Okay, it's very easy, and you can also do this in another way. Just open VS Code and drag and drop this folder here. Now it's here. Okay, so it's time to create our first Python file. So click on this icon which says new file. This is our first time, so we'll make a file called hello.py. Okay, this file is for first program in Python. Okay, now before running our first program, we also have to do one thing. We just have to go in our extensions tab and download a very important extension called Python interpreter. Just give it some time. For some reason my internet is very bad today. This one, okay, by microsoft.com. Just you might be seeing a download button here, install button, download button, whatever. You can click on it and it would just get installed instantly. Okay, I already have it, so I don't need to do it again. Now we can come back to our file. So let's write our first program. So I'm going to say print Python. Why to say Python? Just say the most famous phrase in computer science is hello world. And now we are going to run this file. This is the run button, okay, run Python file. So you can see here, hello world, it's printed. Congratulations, you have created your first Python program. Okay, now there is one more way to run your Python file. You can just go in your terminal and type something like Python hello.py, and again it's saying hello world. Okay, so there are two ways to run this, but run any Python file. Either you can use run button, which is already there in VS Code, or you can just type out the file name with Python as prefix. Okay, so you have written your first code. Now here's a little bit challenge for you. Just do some things with it. Type out, print out anything, whatever you want. If you want to say your friend is stupid, you can do it. Just play with it, print some things. For example, I'm going to say learning is oh, okay, sorry, something okay, I'm going to say learning is cool with 2 exclamation points, and then I'm just going to run it again. Okay, I don't know why it is not printing this. That's a thing to look for, but now it's okay because we haven't saved it. Now we can basically simply do this, and it's going to say learning is cool. You can do anything, you can print out anything. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the first video, and I'm going to give you a a very quick shortcut. I'm going to tell you a very quick shortcut how to open a terminal. Okay, so just press Control and the button just below your escape button. Okay, and that's how you open a terminal with one click. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are excited for this series, please stick on to it, and we'll be learning a lot of stuff. So thank you.